In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Namecheap SSL certificate from your website step by step. If you installed an SSL through Namecheap and now want to turn it off, remove it, or stop it from being active on a specific site, this tutorial will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. And just before we begin, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the hosting list option. This is where all of your hosting accounts are displayed, so you'll want to find the correct website or hosting plan that has the SSL certificate you want to remove. After you locate the right hosting account, click Go to cPanel. This will open your hosting control panel, where you can manage your website settings, files, domains, and security features. Now that you're in cPanel, look for the Namecheap SSL section. This is the area where Namecheap manages SSL certificates for the hosting account. Depending on your setup, you may see certificates that are active, installed, or connected to a specific domain. If you already have an existing certificate, open the option that says Installed via Namecheap SSL. This will show you the SSL certificate details and the site or domain it's connected to. From here, look for the toggle switch next to the site. To remove or disable the certificate, simply turn that toggle off. Once the toggle is switched off, the SSL certificate will no longer be active for that site through Namecheap SSL. Take a moment to make sure you're turning off the correct site, especially if you manage multiple domains or hosting accounts. After that, your change should be applied, and the certificate will no longer be enabled through this panel. If your website still shows a secure connection for a little while after this, don't worry, because browser caching and server settings can sometimes take a short time to update. It's always a good idea to refresh your site, check the SSL status again, and confirm that the certificate has been removed or disabled successfully. If you need to re-enable it later, you can usually come back to the same Namecheap SSL section and switch the toggle back on. So that's how you remove a Namecheap SSL certificate from your website using cPanel and the Namecheap SSL Manager. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.